Alright, so for question 5 on the work for chapter 7, it's a lot to read, but we're just going to go straight into answering the question. So for part A, it says the force is applied in the same direction as the original velocity of the box. So to do this, we're going to apply it. So we're going to apply the work by force or area onto the graph. So work equals 0.5 200 6.0 minus 2.0, which equals 400 joules. Now for A, so there's going to be a change in kinetic energy, which is the 400 equals 0.5 25 of V squared 6 squared. So our velocity equals 8.25 miles meters per second. For part B, it's going to be from negative 400 minus 0.5 25 V squared minus 6 squared, which equals velocity equals 2 meters per second.